Hi and welcome to a video on CCTV displays. Whenever you put together a CCTV system, you need a display to see what's going on with it. People do think that I'm only going to see the footage on my phone, so why do I need a separate display? The answer is that it is a sensitive security system and it needs a dedicated display to see what's happening with it. Most of the alarms and warnings are displayed on the screen, and it is better that you have a display to see it. Even when it comes to maintenance, it is always better that you have a display to troubleshoot. Usually, people use a computer monitor or a TV to connect with DVR or NVR as a display. Depends on how you are going to monitor your CCTV and what kind of a setup you have, you can choose your display. If you are going to keep a display really close to you on the table and monitor, a computer monitor would do best, as it is designed to be kept on the desk at a closer level. The radiation from a typical computer monitor is less and sometimes delivers great display resolution. On the contrary, if you have more cameras and if you are planning to mount a bigger display on the wall at a distance, then a LED TV would do better, as it has a bigger display screen and it is bright enough to watch from a distance. There are a lot of developments in display technology and lot more options are available. For instance, if you want a bigger display for security control room monitoring, you can club professional displays together and make a video wall to see multiple inputs from multiple sources at the same time. So this is again based on your requirement. Displays are available in various sizes and configurations. Please go through the products page in our website www.agscctv.com for more information or talk to our CCTV experts. Thanks for watching.